What's going on, guys? Been a while. Been busy. Got a box. It's not a very big box. That makes it look huge when I do that. It's a box, all the same. I'm going to open it up and show you what I got. Oh. Yes. Yes. That is awesome. That is hefty. Wow. Wow, that's heavy. I've got the Hero one with the eyes. It's aged down. It's actual metal. It's not plastic, not resin. It is beautiful. And supposedly this is cast off of a crew gift, I believe is what the story is. So it's got provenance to an original prop, which I appreciate. I know it's not everybody cares about that, but I do. I think it's cool. So, wow, that's awesome. Alright, this is just super cool. I've been wanting one of these for years. I have one that was gifted to me, but it's a resin one. It's kind of like filled the hole, in, where this is like one of my favorite props from the Indiana Jones original movies from Raiders of the Lost Ark, the Fertility Idol. And I have the Staff of Ra headpiece, and this is the other piece I wanted to get from that movie. It is beautiful. It is so cool. And the eyes kind of follow you. It's always kind of looking at you. Creepy. But this is going to be really cool to add to my collection, and I can replace that less high quality version with this very, very high quality version with provenance. I'm going to compare it to that one though. Let's see how close it is. I think it's a little bit different in size, but I kind of wonder how close the sculpt is. All right, here we are. This is the less expensive resin one. You can see where the gold plating is kind of cracking. I think it's just a plasticky sort of plating. And this one, it's actually metal. But you can see a few differences here. Like if I look at these, the nose is different. Like the nostrils don't go nearly as deep on this guy as that one. The mouth is close but not the same. This one almost has like a little sneer. This side goes up higher, whereas this one it's pretty even. Obviously the eyes are cut out on this one and replaced with that to be the Hero. This is more like the stunt version. The Belloc version, if you will. So the forehead looks a little different. Like, I don't know how to explain it. This looks more rounded here, and this one's a lot more flat across here. The ears are a lot more, they're not nearly as deep on the plasticky one. Well, what about the baby? Let's do this. How's the baby look? Side by side here. This one's actually, the old one is actually a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller. The baby's head is narrower. Yeah, quite a bit narrower. Yeah, that's quite a bit different. This looks, I mean, sitting it next to it, it just looks so much better. It doesn't have that overly plasticky look to it. It looks amazing. So I'm digging it. I love it. I got to find somewhere where it's not going to tip over because it is front heavy. It wants to do that. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I've been wanting to do it for years, and just something's always kind of pulled me away from it. Every time I'm like, yeah, I think maybe I should get that. So I finally pulled the trigger on it. I know that Regal Robot is supposed to come out with one. I I don't know when. I thought it was going to be out already, but it's apparently not. So I don't know when that is and what's going on with that. But I'm pretty happy with this new one. It's right behind my head, right there. And I'm probably, I don't know. I might pick up the Regal Robot one as well, just to compare it. It's supposed to have provenance. They're supposed to have gotten access to the real thing, and like the other props they did, like the Holy Grail and the urn and the stones. I think the process they do is a really high resolution 3D scan, then a high resolution 3D print, probably a little touch up work, and then they make a mold of it and make castings. So also pretty accurate as well. But it'd be interesting to see if there's any differences between the two. So we'll see. We'll see if it comes out or how soon, or if I can even afford to get it when it does. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.